Hi everyone, today I thought I'd show you two different ways to make your own dehydrated meals. We're going to make a simple butternut squash and spinach risotto. So I've got all the ingredients that I'm going to need here apart from boiling water. I'm going to go through, we're going to get this made up, and then I'm going to show you the two methods you can use for dehydration. One thing to keep in mind when doing meals for dehydration, you don't want to be using too much oil, because oil, it doesn't dehydrate and your foods will spoil much quicker. So if you do need it, just a little glug and that'll be enough. So this is almost done cooking now. I just need to add in the spinach and then we can leave it cool. While it's cooling, we can prepare the dehydrator. The two methods of dehydration we're going to use is my dehydrator and a regular pyrex bowl. So the pyrex bowl, we're going to spread the risotto quite thin and we're going to put it on the oven at the lowest temperature. So with my oven, that's 50 degrees. You know, you can go lower and just use the light bulb, that does work. And with the dehydrator trays, all I've done is got some greaseproof paper, cut out some templates, and we'll put the risotto onto that. Again, spread quite thinly. So as you can see, we've only gone for a very thin layer of the risotto in there, maybe not even a centimetre deep. We're going to pop that into the oven at 50 degrees and we're going to leave it for about 12 hours. So we've got our 3 trays loaded up as well now, and the numbers on the side, that's just the weight in grams, so when we're done we can see how much water's come out, so we can work out how much we need to put back in. Now I'm going to put these onto the dehydrator again around 55 degrees until they dry, so that should be about 12 hours. So if you are thinking about getting a dehydrator, I do recommend getting one with adjustable temperature. This one cost me 30 or 35 pounds. I'll put a link down in the description so you can go take a look. It comes with 5 trays, I'm only using 3, so the other 2 are in the cupboard. But we'll come back and see how both of these have done in the morning. So I've cut the bag to size now. What I'm going to do is just going to write on it so I know what's in it when it comes to eating. So I've got butternut and spinach risotto. So I'm just going to seal the bottom edge. Nice and sealed, and then I'm going to pop in the food. You want to spread the food flat, so then you don't get the lumps and bumps and it doesn't tend to pierce when you do the vacuum sealing. And there we go. One vacuum sealed meal ready to go. There you go. For the cost of the machines, you know, I paid about £30 for the dehydrator, £25 for the vacuum packer. You know, you save yourself a fortune making your own meals. Yes, you can buy the freeze-dried meals and they are nice, but on a long trip the costs do add up, and as you can see this is quite simple to do. It just takes a little bit of planning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's given you some ideas of what you can do on future trips. If you liked it, give the like button a click, and if you haven't already yet, hit that subscribe button. I hope you're all having a great day and staying safe. See you soon.